Welcome to my viewers. In this video I am going to explain to you how to download and install Canon G570 photo printer driver into laptop or desktop. This is photo printer. See here, we can see the difference between normal printer and photo printer. This is having 6 colors. This is having 6 colors: cyan, magenta, yellow, magenta, cyan and red. Red here you are seeing the extra color, and here see this is black and grey color. This is black and grey color. Totally 6 colors. This printer is different from our normal printer. Normal printer will have black, CMY, cyan, magenta, yellow and black only, but here you are having extra red as well as grey color. So now I am going to explain how to download and install this driver into laptop or printer. First you have to switch on the printer. After switched on the printer, you have to download the driver in your laptop or desktop. For that, first what you have to do, you have to connect your laptop through internet, either broadband or mobile data. Nowadays both are having the same speed. Here I did connect my laptop through broadband. After connecting that, I am going to click any one of the browser which is available in my laptop. See here I am having 2 browsers, Google Chrome and Firefox. Here I am going to double click Firefox browser. After double clicking the Firefox browser, which is taking me to the Google search engine, there I am going to type download, DOWNLOAD, download driver, DRIVER driver, Canon, CANON, Canon G570. So download driver Canon G570 for Windows 7 32-bit. See, in my laptop I am having Windows 7 32-bit. So I did specify Windows 7 32-bit. If you have 64-bit, you have specify 64-bit. Likewise, Windows 8, 8.1, 10. Either 32-bit or 64-bit. Likewise, you have to specify. And Windows 11, 64-bit, you have to specify. After typing this, download driver Canon G570 for Win 7 32-bit. Just press enter. After that, which will take you to a screen called G570 printer driver version 1.01 Windows. So I am clicking this first option, which is taking me to the another screen. There I am getting G570 printer driver version 1.01 Windows. So here I am going to click this download. I am going to click this download. So after clicking the download, which is taking me to the downloading screens, there this is totally 32 MB, which is downloading 1.6 or 1.5 MB per second. So which is going to get complete, I think so. After download got complete, download got complete. So which is displaying completed. If you move cursor towards over there, it will display open file. Move the outside of this box, it will display completed. So now I am going to open using double click. I have clicked mouse, double click. So user account control. Do you want to allow the following program from an unknown publisher to make changes to this computer? So generally a computer will have some list of software like Windows, MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Acrobat Reader, VLC player, so and so software you will have. So in this list, shall I add one more new software? This is unknown software. Shall I add, which is asking. Here I am going to give Now you can add this software, that is this printer driver, into your list. So here I am going to click yes. So now what which is doing, which is extracting the file. Extraction means generally the printer software will be in the term of CAB format. That CAB format has to get extract. If you extract, then only it will capable to install the driver. So after extracting, after a little bit moment, you will get a screen. There you will be having next. I am going to click this next. Next, which is asking the region. Now which is installing Canon IJ driver installer, installing, which is asking install. So I am going to click this install this driver. Now installing. Once again, which is asking install this driver software anyway. I am clicking this. Now installing. Now which is checking the port, which is checking the USB port. Now drivers were installed successfully. Printer name Canon G500 series. 500 series means 501 to 599, up to 501 to 599 list of printer applicable for this same driver, right? So set as a default printer, then which is asking exit. I am going to click this exit. That means the driver got installed. Now I am going to check whether the driver available in my laptop or not. So that I am clicking this start. Then I am going to click this device and printers, which is taking me to the printer list. See here I am getting the printer. See what is called Canon G500 series. My printer is G570. This 500 series means 501, 502, 510, 580, 589, 90, 91, 92, 99, right? So this is the default printer. This screen indicates default printer. Now I am clicking the right button. Now I am going to give the one test page, printer properties. Click the printer properties. Then here I am going to click the test page, print test page, right? After clicking the test page, so I am going to check with my printer whether I am getting printout or not. See here. I am getting the printout. Now the printout is coming. Yeah, so the printer is working properly. This is the way to install the printer. Install the printer and enjoy yourself. Have a nice day. Welcome.